This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Janine Cervantes. Sought after Chamisa Ridge Luxury Estate. Exceptional Southwest-style home situated on a rare 1-acre lot offering privacy and space. Featuring 4 bedrooms and 3.75 baths, this residence offers a spacious open floor plan ideal for entertaining and everyday living. Formal living and dining rooms flow into a grand great room and gourmet kitchen with extensive granite countertops, KitchenAid appliances, and classic Southwest details including vigas and corbels. Radiant heating and a heated garage provide comfort and efficiency year-round. Outdoor living shines with a professionally maintained resort-style pool and hot tub, perfect for entertaining or enjoying New Mexico sunsets. Outstanding curb appeal completes this impressive indoor-outdoor retreat. For more information